What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you had a great Christmas. All right, welcome back, guys. We are back. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you look in the right hand corner there, you will see a little red square that says subscribe. Smash it. All right, guys. All right, welcome back, guys. I want to show you this system I discovered. I actually follow quite a few different people, just like you guys do, right? And I'm on different email lists and whatnot. But this came across my desk and I thought I would go ahead and check it out. I really didn't think a lot about it initially, but as I got into it, I realized that this has a lot of value to it, and I wanted to present it to you guys. All right, this system is called Mega Marketing Pro. Okay, like it says right here, and I couldn't believe it myself. It says it's 100% free marketing system helping to generate full-time incomes from home. A lot of times, a lot of free systems, they don't really have a lot of value to them, okay, that I found. But this one does, okay? So what made me go ahead and say, you know what, I will go ahead and promote this is, number one, it said it was free. And I checked it out, and it really is free completely. Number two, you can promote up to 10 of your business opportunities. Okay, whether it's, when I say business opportunities, it could be a tool that you have, any of your links, okay, that you're a part of, up to 10 you can add into the system. So for me, I was thinking this will be a great feeder program, number one, because it's going to feed the leads through, okay, to my other opportunities. It's free, and not only is just a free system, it gives you some value. They have this free report here, so you're getting some tools with this. Not to mention, you get capture pages. That's the other thing. I was like, wow, capture pages with this thing. Email swipes, I mean, for free. That really works, because I've already tested, made sure it was working properly, set it all up. Okay, so that right there in itself was enough right there for me to be able to present this to other people that's struggling to get leads and sales. This is like a lead magnet, guys, and you have to collect leads, names, and emails of people. This is how you build your list of prospects. Okay. So I said, a marketing system that's free, that's really have value. Now, don't forget, I do have a primary marketing system, the Conversion Pros. That's still going, right? Because that's my residual income program. Okay, this program right here is free. Okay, so yes, I'm still in the Conversion Pros. I don't want you guys to get that confused. And the link is in the description for that, so you can earn residual month after month. And every week they're paying out your unlimited $25 commissions. But this is another system. Again, it's free, and you can promote up to 10 opportunities. So right there, I was like, I'm in. So I went through the whole system, watched the setup, the whole thing, and it's great. You're gonna love it. So let's get inside. I put the link below. So go ahead and get your free system and go ahead and plug in your already business opportunities that you already have. But just think, you're going to be able to share this with other folks. Okay, I can't tell you how many times I've signed up people where they have the money just to get into a program, but they really can't afford the marketing system, a third-party marketing system like a Conversion Pros or any other programs that's out there, you know, that's 30, 40, 50 a month. This one is going to be free. So there you have it with that. Now let's take a look. I'm going to go into the back office a little bit and show you around in there as well. Now this little system is simple. Okay, all you got to do is follow instructions. As soon as you log in, see right here, it gives you 4 steps. Okay, 4 steps to go ahead and set it up. and it's video tutorials on each step. The owner of the program is going to walk you through exactly what you need to do. So no worries, just follow the steps. Now, as you can see right here, look what it says up here. You can collect your leads, okay? So your leads, you're going to have a way to collect the leads when people enter their name and email, okay? Then they have tools, banners, splash pages, email swipes, and yes, you can tie this into Leap, which I recommend. They have a free version of that, or you can do the paid pro member. I went ahead and did the pro, but Leap Pro has a free version, so you still could get the free Mega Marketing Pro and get the Leap Pro free version. I just recommend the Pro, that way you get all the bells and whistles. Now it looks like the prices have changed from earlier this year or whatnot, but it was only $23 for me to get the system. All right, so anyway, you got tools here, guys, and your profile right here. Very simple, 4 steps. This thing is set up, and they're going to walk you through it, okay? Now, what else I like about this that's pretty cool, soon as you log in, guess what? You're going to know who your sponsor is. So that won't be a problem. You're going to know who your sponsor is. Their information is going to pop up, because remember I said you can promote up to 10 opportunities. So when people join you and they log in, they're going to see all your links for your business opportunity. That is so cool. Okay, so again, you're going to see your sponsor there and their information, how to reach them. And right here, see it says step 1, Facebook group support. So you want to go ahead and join right there. Okay, I'm going to thumb through all my sponsor stuff, but everywhere you look, you're going to see what your sponsor is involved in, and they keep pointing out your sponsor. Okay, so that's great. Right here, see, the next step down, it says join Leap under your sponsor. Again, you can join the free version. No worries, okay? I just recommend the Pro, okay, for a couple dollars, a day. But again, join it. Get the free version at least if you don't do anything else, okay? So click there, get that, and then you come back and you will put your username for Leap Pro here and click save, okay? Now, as you come further down, look what you have. All these capture pages here, okay? Capture pages. They even have a blog link. I've got to set that up. I haven't done that yet, but they can code that to you as well, okay? A lot of information here that's going to help you promote your business opportunity, whatever that is. And you're collecting leads at the same time, because people are going to want this free. And then check this out. If you upgrade, okay, you'll get more. The Leap Pro, you get 30 more. You get share codes, okay, with all these other capture pages. You get a few with the free, but you get even more, okay? But remember, you can get the free version, all right? So we'll go into that too. But see right here, it says step 2. So it's very easy to follow this. You won't get lost. So let's say I click this one. All right, and you can see more here. Come down to the next step. All this is free, guys. Look, Leap share codes. Look at this. Let's go down. Okay, they keep reminding you, join your sponsor on the Leap. All right, look at these right here. Hang on a sec. Okay, and you can see here, guys, look, more capture pages here, and they've got the share codes for all of these, okay? So, and the redirect share codes. So again, this is a great little system that's free that you can plug in your business opportunities to. You can do up to 10 of your URLs into the system. You're capturing the leads of your folks. You're going to know who they are. As I said, you go right up here and click leads. You'll see who they are. Right here, you get tools. I mean, awesome. Banner, splash pages, email swipes. Okay, and these share codes. All right. I want you guys to go ahead and click that link below and set up your free system, guys. Also, there's a great traffic source that I have in here that I hadn't used before, well, wasn't aware of, that I found that seems to be very good. I'm going to run some traffic using this company and using this system to get more leads, okay, for my other business opportunities. So you definitely want to go and get your free account. It's free. I have even set up, because this is cool, they have some splash pages, but it's also simple to edit some of these pages they've created. I've done that as well too. So it's a pretty cool system. I highly recommend you check it out. Here's one of the pages too. Okay, check this out. Okay, nice little system for free. Can't beat it. And again, it does have value. So go ahead and click that link below. Get your system and get this free guide that they give you right here. That's what you're going to get, a free download. This is some good information. Like I said, I'm highly impressed for it to be free, and I am using it. All right, guys, so go check it out. If you have any questions, reach out to me, but be sure to follow the steps, those 4 steps that they give you to go ahead and plug in your information and start using this system. Okay, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.